It's pretty much the home screen of the application. You have a lot of teams which you can check out information on these teams, and as well can bet on teams as well, which relates to this application here. So you have the odd tips as well. You have other teams that are playing or that's going to be playing, which is tomorrow, as you can see here, and other teams that could be playing that are playing today as well. So if you do tap on any one of these matches or teams that's going to be playing, as you can see here, you can see pretty much the summary as it relates to the team. You can see pretty much who is going to be playing, but that's for tomorrow when the match is pretty much going to be starting. As well, you can see some other information, but more than likely it won't be available for you as yet. And as well, you can see pretty much how much you're in the league, in your particular league, and as well as you can see other information. And down here as well, you have the team option. You can pretty much see which team is going to be playing as well. You can see upcoming games. You can go on this option where it says past games and pretty much add the team that you want to see past games for. Down here you have the live option here. We can see pretty much matches that are playing live right now. As you can see, you can scroll down and pretty much see other teams that are playing right now. So that's really pretty much it for that. And at the top here, you pretty much will see a VIP subscription. So this is pretty much where you're able to get your subscription as it relates to this application here. This subscription helps you get better picks, as you can see, better or safer bets once you do get your subscription. This is pretty much your prices for the subscription. You have a popular subscription here, which is the monthly one, and you have a yearly subscription and weekly subscription, and pretty much what to be getting as it relates to your subscription. So any one of these live matches can pretty much go ahead, or upcoming matches can pretty much go ahead and place the bet. Let's say the odd pick section here, and let's go back here. You have to place a bet on this one here. You want to place a bet on this one. Here we see in the odd section, this is the section where you can go ahead and place the bet. So if you do have the subscription, you'll be able to access the VIP Genius option. It will give you more information as it relates to how risky the bet is. As you can see here, will give you information as it relates to this. If you do have the subscription, and as you can see, you can tap on the place bet option and it will redirect you to the sites. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and very easy to use. You do have the smart option, but you're going to need a subscription to be able to use that feature, which gives you the safest bets to use. And as well, you can see other bets at the top here as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And as well, in the favorite section, you'll be able to see all the matches, teams, leagues, and players that you have added to your favorite list. So with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one.